probably be quite quick.
Top ideas. Well, all right, here's what I'm doing. I'm not really looking at individual setups. I'm more of like getting the shopping list ready. So I'll go through a bunch of things I've been looking at, like DLO, very strong name. Don't think it's ready quite yet, but when it is ready, I think this explodes higher. This UPST, it's went on such a crazy run since earnings. It might be too far gone to look to trade anytime soon. But if we see a market pullback, a bigger market pullback, and this gets taken down, this is one I want to be involved in. Same with this Netflix. This has been a market leader. This is starting to pull back. We get 560 here. I think I'm gonna, take a shot there. Another one is this XLRN. Really nice chart. Really nice base. Really nice weekly chart. That one's shaping up really well. Shouts to Heaven. Heaven just posted a couple good ones. This ATKR, huge earnings, really strong name. And another one he posted was this Love, LOVE, exploded since earnings, kind of doing a momentum bull flag right now. I'd like to see more sideways, but I just want to have my shopping list ready for when we do see that market turnaround, so I know which names I want to attack instead of just feverishly trying to buy some random bullshit. I want to buy the best in breed that's pulled back because of the market. So that's really my focus right now. What you thinking?
So one of the sectors that has been lagging for quite a bit, that has been, again, kind of flagging out, basing, has been energy. And if you look at a couple of energy names today, we did see a few of them breaking out. And one of them that's setting up is this CDX up through 100 versus 95. It's about 5% risk. You'd probably look at it, for a short term, kind of back to that 112 area. So that's one I'm keeping an eye on. What else? Again, keeping a closer eye on Aflac, and we were looking to buy it up through that 58 all-time high. But if it can start to base out here and kind of sneaking up to 56, then add 58, that's another one. And this QRVO, which again has been based, kind of flagging up here, this 160 to kind of 200 area, and it's just been getting tighter between 175 and 185 recently. So that's another one. But again, very small shopping, small list of names I'm looking to buy. But again, like you said, looking to find those names that are setting up, if we do get a little bit more of a pull in.